Good morning, ghosts, goblins, witches, and sorcerers. And happy Halloween to all of you on this Thursday, October 31st of 2019. Yes, it is Halloween. So today is Halloween. Unfortunately, boys and girls, there's going to probably be very cold weather tonight. And there'll probably be some snow on the ground. So be very careful. For today, what we'll be doing instead of our pause, I have a fun video here about trick-or-treat rules. That's a good thing to know about because I know that many kids don't follow all these rules, and it makes sure that you need to be safe, especially if the weather is bad tonight and you are out trick-or-treating. Our Halloween parties will be nice and warm today because we have them inside. So we will be having those things happening today at 1:30 till 1:55. There is no birthdays to announce for today, so no one has a Halloween birthday that I am aware of at least. And our lunch choices are orange chicken, pretzel with cheese dip, or American sandwich. I just noticed this. Each one of those items have something orange in them. I think that's a correlation to Halloween, I would think. Orange chicken and then the cheese and probably American cheese in the sandwich. And for our video for today, we have some trick-or-treat rules that's done into a fun song.
Trick-or-treating is so cool, but before Halloween, let's learn the trick-or-treat rules. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Walk, don't run as you trick-or-treat. Walk, don't run as you trick-or-treat. Never, never, never take a ride from a stranger. Never, never, never take a ride from a stranger. Only cross the street at street corners. Only cross the street at street corners. Always go with friends or grown-ups. Always go with friends or grown-ups. Halloween will soon be here. Everybody give a Halloween cheer. Getting dressed up and trick-or-treating is so cool. But before Halloween, let's learn the trick-or-treat rules. Have grown-ups check candy before you eat it. Have grown-ups check candy before you eat it. Don't run into the street or between parked cars. Don't run into the street or between parked cars. Carry glow sticks or flashlights so you'll be seen. Carry glow sticks or flashlights so you'll be seen. Never go into a stranger's house. Never go into a stranger's house. Always look and listen as you trick or treat. Always look and listen as you trick or treat. Have a fun and safe Halloween!
Alright, boys and girls, so just make sure you dress warm for tonight. If you do go out, make sure you follow the rules. Hopefully you have an older adult with you, a parent or an older sibling. So make sure you watch out for the cars too, especially if the weather is bad tonight. Things might be a little slippery. Just a reminder for tomorrow for our Red Ribbon event. Tomorrow is a Red Rally Day. So wear red day tomorrow, so make sure that we can all wear red and stand united against drugs. That would be November 1st. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for a Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys, and everyone, happy Halloween to all of you. Let's make sure we're having our best behavior today because I'm sure nobody wants to miss out on the parties later on this afternoon. So let's make sure we show great expectations of things that we're doing at recess, in the hallways, and classrooms. Have a happy Halloween.